I'm going to show you how to rename and repin the speaker. So first you want to open up the application. And what it's going to do now is going to search for any available speakers. So make sure that your speaker is in pairing mode. It will then show you a list of available speakers. So we're just going to go ahead and go through the list and then find our one. Once it's found the speaker, it's going to ask you to create an administration pin. This means that no one else who tries to go into the app can change any settings on the speaker. So just remember to write that down. Once we're in, it then gives you the ability to rename and change the pin. It also has a volume controller and then other additional features. But on this one, we're just going to rename and change the pin. So it's going to ask us to input the admin pin. And then we're going to rename the speaker, change the pin or update admin password, but we're going to rename the speaker. So from here, it gives you pre-selected functions that you can rename for yourself, or you can of course then create your own name as well. But for this one, I'm just going to select one, it's the gym. You can update the speaker now, or you can change the pin. So for this, let's also change the pin. So we want to give it a turn the pin on, enter a new pin, and then set pin. You can of course then change the name or update the speaker now. So we'll update the speaker now. Remember the password. Okay, and then as you can see here, that the speaker is now available, which is called Gym. And then of course it then asks you to enter that pin. And that is it. So now the speaker is connected, you've got a solid blue light, and now you're ready to go.